Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, this video, I am not making this one alone. I am joined by a very special friend of mine, Naman Anand Magic.
Thank you so much, Naman, for that lovely introduction. So, hey guys, today we're here together to make this video. Obviously, not physically together because he's in Delhi and I'm in Bombay. But this is a really special day, guys, because this is not a regular video. We haven't done this ever till now. And today we're here to predict the winners of the UEFA Champions League as well as the UEFA Europa League, which is going to happen in a few days from now. So, trust me, stick around till the very end of the video to know the results.
You're right, Naman. It's a very special day indeed. It's been raining across NCR today. It's beautiful weather. It's around 5:30 p.m. It's the 19th of May 2021 when we are filming this.
So guys, we know that you're still not convinced that today is actually the 19th of May. So here I have my laptop for you which shows Wednesday, 19th May, and the time is 6:24 p.m. But you'll still think that this can be rigged, right? So here I have my TV. Obviously, I'm gonna quickly go to my setup box right here and bear with my reflection for that time. And you're gonna see that this news channel, which is CNBC TV 18, it shows that today is 19th May, Wednesday, and the time is 6:24. And guys, this is my normal TV. You can see that I've gone into my setup box. This is another news channel. I'll come back to this one, and you can actually see the TV also shows 19th May, and the channel also shows 19th May, 6:25 p.m.
Now, we know that some of you still might not be entirely convinced that that's the date today. You might feel maybe we paid those news channels to run that specific date for some amount of time and things like that. Well, firstly, I feel they are being paid pretty well by someone else, so we don't do that here. But just so that all of us are on the same page, on my laptop here, I have opened up Google, and on Google, if I just search there you go, it says what's the date today. You will see it clearly says Wednesday 19th May 2021, and I can just scroll through the browser as well. And we hope all of you are now absolutely convinced that that's the date we are filming this video on.
So guys, now that you're convinced that this is actually the 19th of May when we are filming this, I'm going to show you something else quickly. So here is my Google on my laptop, and I'm going to quickly type in UEFA Champions League for you. And once you go here, you're going to see that the finals have not yet taken place. This is just loading, and I'm just going to go down, and you see that the final is Manchester City versus Chelsea on Sunday, 30th May, 12:30 a.m. So this now proves that we're filming this on the 19th of May, way before the finals. And stick around till the end of the video because now I'm going to hop onto Zoom with Naman so that we can film the prediction together, and see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
But before we hop onto Zoom, here's something I also have for you guys to see. So on my laptop here, I will just very quickly search for UEFA Europa League. Here we can clearly see the match status. There it is. The final is yet to happen. It's between Villarreal and Manchester United. It's on 27th May, 12:30 a.m. IST. So there you go. Neither the Champions League nor the Europa League have taken place yet. The matches are yet to happen, and we will see you directly on Zoom with the prediction now. Hey guys, hey. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. Thank you so much. Now, before we move on to the prediction, I'm sure all of you are wondering that, especially those who had the link beforehand to the video, that why weren't you able to view the video prior to, the date of it being public, or why wasn't the video made public before the matches happened? So, Naman, could you please answer that question?
Sure, Naman, I'll do that. So, guys, the reason why we couldn't do that in the first place is because number one, we are not trying to promote any sorts of gambling or betting via this. The whole and sole reason of this video is pure and pure entertainment. And number two, in adherence to YouTube guidelines, because this is a future event, we were not able to post the video and make it public beforehand. Thus, you will see that though we have shot and filmed this video on the 19th, as you saw earlier, but we are going to publish it on the 21st of May after all the editing and small packaging, of course.
Yeah, guys, so that is the reason. And now we will see you for the prediction.
Yeah.
Hey guys, hey, thank you so much for waiting this long and making it till the end. It is finally the moment. It's time for the prediction. Naman, are you excited?
I'm really excited, man. I hope all of you guys watching are as excited as we are. And I can't tell you how long we've waited for this moment exactly.
Yes, yes. So finally, guys, here's the moment. We will start off with the UEFA Europa League. So, the
Right.
winner of the UEFA Europa League 2021 will be Villarreal. Yes, they are gonna take it away. They have won the UEFA Europa League. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much.
Oh, and the score will be 1-all, and they'll win on penalties.
So, thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. That was the UEFA Europa League prediction. Now, I'm sure
That's
all of
right.
you are wondering where is the Champions League prediction? Uska kya hua? What about that? So, Naman, please go ahead.
Yes, I'll take over for this. So, guys, the UEFA Champions League prediction video is out there on my YouTube channel, which is Naman Anand Magic, and the video link will be somewhere in the description below. So make sure you check it out. You're subscribed to the channel and make sure that you press the bell icon so that you don't miss the video when it's out. And also that video will be made public after the event is over. That is after 30th of May. So can't wait for you guys to see that as well. Thank you so much.
Yeah, guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, subscribe to his channel, check the UCL prediction out, and you can follow both of us on Instagram. I'll put the links in the description box right there. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, being a part of this wonderful experience. We hope to see you next time. Till then, take care, stay safe, and goodbye. Thanks a lot.
Goodbye.